Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Ka Kongres ka basyong hakalyang persya ha ka khandai tarik uno opera arazar arpo kala dawa ya ka sorkar National Democratic Alliance bakade ban sngam ya ka surjong kinongrep ki badang penong ya ka jingyaki hanong ba New Delhi tat hadu menta ban dawa ya ka sorkar India bakade ban weng ya ki kendon na ki lai tili ki ain ki bayade bat kinongrep ki bakta ya ka rep karyang bat ka tre ka kta jongki kum kinongrep hakari baro kawai. Habakren Shikilat Pathai Kubor, unong elam jong ke Congress Legislature Party, u Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulaong bakadei ke kamram jong ke sorkar, ban pun orlong, ya ke jingnawa jong kinong rep, Henry Amban Shutau ya ke ain ke bakta, ya kinong rep hadin habut, bat ke balong markong pong, kat kum ke jing ang not ke jongki.
Now see, for every lawmaker, what is important is that, irrespective of what we think is right, if the legislative exercise which is intended to benefit certain section of the citizens of the state or the country, in spite of what we feel is going to do good for them, is not agreed upon by the targeted beneficiaries for whom we are deciding to legislate, is it not the responsibility of the government to be responsive to the sentiments of the people? If I say that, okay, this is something I am trying to do which is good for you, and if you say, no, I don't agree, why will I do it? I'll have to ask you, okay, how do you want it to be done? That is the spirit of democracy. It can't be something which can be imposed. No, this is going to be good for me. Must accept it. Are Baba, the person who the government of India is saying that it will benefit you, are saying, the farmers are saying that they don't agree, then we should not be adamant. We should not be seen as people who are insensitive while being in power. I think that doesn't over well. That sends a wrong signal that politicians tend to impose. Imposition is not inconsistent in the spirit of democracy. We have to convince, we have to carry along. We have done so during our time. When we say that, okay, we will first put in MRSSA, did we not convince all the 13 organizations belonging to various civil society organizations? We did. We did not impose. So, engagement, and ultimately, look at, okay, what is the collective decision which unfolds, which comes as an offshoot of such a long-term engagement, is something which should be there in the spirit of democracy. And I hope the government of India look at all aspects in respect to these 3 farm laws which has been enacted, which was basically imposed, I must say. I think that is true because we were all witness to how the law was pulled out. Was there a debate? Was there a voting? We have seen it. So therefore, it's only appropriate for anybody to say that, okay, the law was imposed upon the farmers. Now if the farmers are saying that, no, they don't agree that the farmers will benefit out of this, rather it will ultimately create uncertainties for the farmers and will have a negative ramification on the welfare of the farmers. Farmers are saying that it will ultimately reduce the members of the farming community to wage seekers, will reduce them to agricultural laborers in the long run. That is the fear, that is apprehension. Now, should this fear and apprehension need not be addressed? It should be addressed. And therefore, we expect the government of India to respond to the ground reality and decide upon in consistence with the spirit of democracy.